Everybody, it's Kim and I am on. I was inspired to show you a craft that I've been working on for little quick gifts that I think would be great if you guys are looking for those quick gifts. I gave 2 away today to Margaret and Roxanne, but this was inspired by Joyce from the Peddler's Pack. She sent me this. Is this not the cutest? Look at this, and it stands up with the pad right here. I think this is cute. I'll look for a little stamp, but so far I haven't done that. But it's a memo pad and this little calendar, and Joyce, they sell them, but they are out of them now. So now I ended up on Etsy. I ordered some more, and it was actually a better price and quicker than Amazon. So, I mean, they wanted like $9.97 just for the shipping on Amazon to get it here. It's like, yeah, I'm good. So anyway, isn't this cute? So thank you, Joyce, so much. And I hope it's okay. I'm using your idea. So I measured out what she did here and came pretty close, if not right on. So let's get going. I'll show you what I made. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. So I started these yesterday and then finished them up today when Margaret and Roxanne are here. So here's one. I kind of tried. I've got people on my list. Oh, the glue is showing. Oh my gosh. Anyway, to the person I'm giving. So I made a list of people, and I got into my stash. Aren't you proud of me of my Echo Park? This turned out perfect. This was their perfect, because I don't want them Christmas. This is year round. So I did this one. I'm bummed about. I'll have to take an eraser or something to the glue. Anyway, I overglued. So I cut this out because this gal likes scooters, has a scooter, likes to travel. So I did that. And then took a piece of paper from there and put it there. So not all of them did I put a piece of paper here like Joyce did. So, but they stand up. And I'll give you the measurements. We'll make one together at the end after I'm done showing off here. Thank you for letting me show you what I did. So here's another one from the Away We Go. So I just went into my massive vault of Echo Park and came up with this one. And this one I did do a paper on top. Put not all who wander are lost. This is another friend that likes to travel. So I thought that was cute. And here's another for another gal that likes to travel. And I have that on there. And again, no paper here. If this was big enough, I tended to not. Oops, I'll have to take the top paper off. I got more memo. I know I have a bunch of these. Yeah, anyway, it's one of those, can't find it, ordered it on Amazon. So, I am bad with glue. I get it everywhere. But I think these turned out cute. And I ordered pens. Joyce sent me a pen too. I didn't grab that when I came down. But I ordered pens from Amazon. And they say, you are capable. Some of them say different things. You are amazing. Isn't that cute? I didn't realize they all said different things. You are brave. Yeah, my teacher buddies will like that one. You are okay. So, and I think one says you are awesome. But yeah, I thought these were perfect. You are you. Isn't they cute? They have little flowers on them, so I just put that with it. And you are awesome. I believe that's the only ones. So I'll try to leave a link below. I've never been do the whole affiliate storefront thing. I know I should, but yeah, I don't. Okay, so there's those from using this paper pad. And then I did a couple. I think these are really, really pretty. And this is using, these are using the Botanical Garden. And so it doesn't have to be the 6x6, just some of these little sentiments inside are smaller, so it fits on there better. Not all of them. That was a big one. Anyway, these I did with this flowers. Enjoy the little things. And then this pink plaid came from a different set. But anywho, you get the idea. Not pretty? Oh my gosh. So these were stickers. It comes with stickers, and I had an extra sheet of stickers as well, so gorgeous. And then that just props up like that. Okay, And then I did enjoy. This one says enjoy the moment. Another sticker. And then that pretty pink gingham. So there's those. That was a fun set. And then these mega packs are awesome. Sorry. I used the Farmhouse Summer for these next ones, and the school I had from, I think it was this one, from them, and then I have this one from Tuesday morning. Oh, maybe this one has, no. Yeah, I mainly use back to school. So anyway, because some of them are my school buddies. So this one is for a dear friend who made me all my quilts that I just treasure. And so I did this, Our Happy Place. She just has a beautiful home and kind of likes these light blues. So I did that one using the farmhouse. Then using farmhouse and school for some of the teachers, make every day count. I thought that was perfect. I mean, come on. That goes with, and look at that cute. That's perfect for a calendar. Make every day count, right? So I did a couple of those. I've been busy. I mass produced, and I used 110-pound cardstock that I got at Michael's. All right, we're gonna now make one together. Okay, here are my sad little drawings, but of the measurements. So your main piece will be 11 by 4. And then we'll go through and do this, but you're going to do a fold, a line at 2 3/4, and another fold at 5 1/2. What did I do here? Oh, 4 by 5 1/2, I believe it is. Yeah, 5 1/2. I'm going to change that. That's the top piece. Okay, so we'll cut these out together, but if you want to take a snapshot of that or whatever. Okay, here we go. So you take your main, and it's heavy cardstock, I think is the best. And I did black. I liked how Joyce did hers. It just makes everything else pop and be the main. Doesn't distract from it. You don't have to sit there and figure out what color to use. So black goes with everything, right? So we're going to cut this. You'll need glue, a scoreboard, and a cutting board. So we're going to cut this at 4. See, I haven't been really very happy with how this, I guess I need to sharpen my blade somehow. I don't know. It hasn't been cutting very well. Oops. It's kind of a rough cut. I use a different cutter upstairs, so this is the one I have downstairs. Anyway, of course, it doesn't work for me when so I'm just going to kind of smooth that out there, cut it. But, you know, you don't need to do that, obviously, if you have a good paper cutter. I like the one I'm using right now because of I need to get a new blade, I guess. The scoreboard included, that's a nice feature. I don't know if I can, this is from We Are Memory Keepers. I'll have to look and see if they have replacement blades, because this one's been not cooperating. Okay, so that's scored at 4, and then, or cut at 4 by 11. And then, what did I say? We need to do 2 3/4. Oh, hang on. Oh, I've lost oh my lordy. It has a blue bar here, and I've misplaced that. It's not in there. Okay, we're gonna really... Okay, I went up and got the other scoreboard, and I'm gonna score it at 2 3/4. That'll be the top, where the top flap goes on. And then 5 1/2. And then I'm going to make sure this gets scored really good. Because this will bend down and go like that with the flap on it. You'll see in just a minute here. So yeah, Roxanne and Margaret and I had a good time today. Hanging out and crafting. We always do. I made chicken tortilla soup. Ooh, it was good. Neighboring treats. It's always a good time. We always eat well. Okay, so then for your top flap, that will need to be for this piece here. That's another 4 by 5.5. I should have grabbed my other cutter while I was up there. Oh well, we're just gonna go with it. Actually, hang on. You know me, I'm so professional. Let's see here. Here we go. I'm going to use my guillotine. There we go. All right, and this measures, this is also 4. Okay, so all I need to do is the 5.5. And I'm just going to clean that up. Yeah, I definitely need new blades, I guess, or a new blade. It's not blades. Okay, so there is that. All right, so that will get glued. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, it's like Lucille Ball. So you want this piece here and the bottom of your top lined up with it, right? Okay, so I'm going to glue that down, and I put it on this so I make sure I don't put it on too much. I wasn't using this with my other ones, that's why there was glue everywhere. It was coming out too fast from a different set of glue. Anywho, okay, so just make sure you line up the bottom, the two ends. Okay. And then that will rest against. Okay, it just folds down like that. It's so cool. Thank you, Joyce. You really gave me a great idea. All right, so now I want to decorate this. So these are 4 by 5.5. So I am cutting the decorative papers for, let's see, top. Where did I say? 5.5. That is that, but I want to, oh, here we go. Okay, here's my, I wrote it a couple of times. So the decorative papers, the designer papers, I guess you would say, will be 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. That's if you wanted more of a black trim. I think Joyce did more of a black trim, so you would cut it smaller, obviously. Okay. So I'm using my farmhouse papers. I chose some papers. I'm going to do this plaid. So I need it to be, what did I say? 5 1/4. Now that's a nice, by 3 3/4. There we go. So there's one. And then I thought I would do this one, and I'm going to cut out this for under the calendar. So again, 5 1/4. What do you think? Yeah. By 3 3. Nope, see, that's going to be wrong. 3 3/4. I struggle with the whole how to make it, which one's up and which one's down, right? I caught myself just in time. Okay, because you want, this is a directional. I needed to make sure it went the right direction. So the pots weren't sitting like this. All right, so I chose these two, and then I'm going to cut out this, and I may have to make it smaller. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, if you have any sets, doesn't have to be Echo Park, obviously, but any sets like this that have matching pieces in them and cut aparts, perfect. But like I said, I didn't want to do, see, I think that'll be cute. I don't know if I'll do, should I do it that way or do it that way? I think I'm going to go with this on the bottom and this on the top. Okay. It's really, these are super easy. That's why I'm able to do them. Okay, so then we're gonna glue this to this top flap. Always keep making sure, I have to check myself to make sure it's going the right way. That's just me, but yeah. I thought these little flowers match the flowers in the truck. Kinda cute. See? The truck has little flowers, and this has little flowers. Now I might have to, let's see here. What did I do with the... Here's the memo pad. Where's my calendar? Oh my gosh. Oh, here it is. You guys have to be patient with me. Okay, so... yeah, that should work. So I'll just go like that and put that there and that there. Okay. Woohoo! Moving right along once I find all the pieces. And it was just fun to individualize these for each person. Kind of think about, okay, they like to travel, I'll do this. She has a little red scooter. This is perfect for her. She's a teacher. She'll probably use it at school, so I did it that way. So yeah, super fun. You can do whatever you want, obviously. And then, so there's that. That looks really cute. See, it's so easy. So, oh, and these, I did the little calendar. Let's see. I measured it, but let's double check. So these are just little you call them tear count mini calendars. So this one is 2.5. So I cut it at 2... let's see, the little paper by 2 3/4 by 1 3/4, and then that just gives it a nice little black background. It's the little things in life. Isn't that cute? Oh, so fun. So I'm just putting glue on the back of, if you don't have one of these little My Sweet Petunia little glue gun things, oh my gosh. They are a lifesaver. And I don't know why I didn't use it on the other ones. It wasn't convenient to me, so I'm bad that way. I'm not willing to go up the stairs to... oh, that's driving me nuts, that frayed edge. Okay. So now you want to make sure that you have this up far enough that this will stand. I had a problem with a couple of them there. I didn't put it up far enough. You could use double stick tape too, double-sided tape if you want. You could do whatever you want, actually, right? You could be your own. My daughter-in-law just asked me if I wanted, texted me and said if I would take Emma to the little, they call it Candy Cane Lane at her school, and we dress up the car, and yeah, it's fun. So we're gonna do. I said, of course. I was gonna ask her about that. So there's that. There's that. Put a pen with it. Bada bing, bada boom. You got yourself, and these just can clip on. Like I said, Joyce included a pen with mine. These can just clip on like this. Kind of bummed that the... can I turn the clip? Yeah. Because I want the saying to show, right? So I want it on this side. Okay, so it does turn. Good. And there you go. It's a card and a gift all in one, really. I mean, I could put something on the back, Merry Christmas from Kim, something like that. Oh my gosh, so much fun. So Joyce, thank you for the inspiration and that cute one you sent me. I love it, and I just wanted to share how I came up and did the measurements, figured it out, and I wanted to share with you guys. All right, take care. Have a great week. All right, take care. Bye-bye.